I want to show you how you can set options for flashcard sets. So let's go into our animals set. We'll just click on it. You come up with this screen, and then to alter the options, all you have to do is just tick the set options first box, and now click on flashcards, and it will take you straight into the menus where you can change the way it's set up. There's lots of things that you can do. I'll go up to start with the main, so you can password protect this if you want, and this is obviously where you can also quit flashcards in that main menu. Under text and sound, you can change the font, and you can change the volume of any sound effects as well if they're too loud. Then set and edit cards, how you want those sets to appear in their lists. Do you want them alphabetically, or the oldest first, or the newest first? And then while adding or editing cards, if you want to be able to get images off the internet, you can turn that off or on. Card options. Now this is how each flashcard will appear. So do you want the word below the picture or above it? I'll show you what that looks like. There we go, it'll be above. You can change the color of the background, and so there's lots of different options around the coloring of it. Then the way they're displayed, do you want them in alphabetical order, list order, or random order? And then do you want the flashcards to cycle through automatically, or do you want them to have to click to go through? So there's lots of options there. And then the card items order. This is the most important one though. So this is, if you think about the way you want the flashcard to appear on your screen. So do you first want the picture to be on the screen, or do you want the text to be on the screen? And then do you want delays? So for instance, if I was just to check the text box and then hit the green arrow, then the text would appear first. And I don't want a delay, so we'll get rid of the delay when the text appears. I just want it to appear. Then I would like the picture to appear, but maybe I would like a delay. So you just hit the plus sign, and let's put it up to about 4 seconds. Again, you think about what's going to be most beneficial for any student that you're working with, and that's how you decide the time delays that you might like. You can have another delay. You can have videos playing, and you can have a delay before the videos. Or if you have a sound file, you can have delays there. And then you can have a delay with a spoken word. The moment it's set at 4 seconds, let's drop that back maybe to 3 seconds. So now we've set up our flashcard set the way we want it to appear for the student. So I'm going to hit the tick button, and we'll have a look. So the word first, then the picture,
tortoise,
and then the sound. To go to the next flashcard, you just hit that arrow. So again, word, pause, then picture,
skink,
and then the sound. But if you want to get a student talking, you might make those delays quite a bit larger than I've made them. So word first, then the picture,
sea lion,
and then the sound. So that's how you can set options for flashcards.